18 loops after pulling and standing the needle. 18 turns is 2 short pins. 1. The reduction of 2 or 2 short stitches and 1 short stitch. One. 2. Hook a short pin to reduce the pin. Follow this pattern to complete the circle. After the hook on the 18th lap, stretch the end of the thread a bit, then stuff in some cotton. You can use tweezers, a chopstick, or this end of the crochet hook. It goes in like this. We don't have to fill it up for now. After 19 turns we'll hook a standing pin. The 19-turn stitch is a short stitch. Then a short stitch of the subtraction stitch. It is a reduction stitch that hooks a short stitch after a short stitch. A short needle. The reduction of a short stitch. Follow this pattern to complete the circle. After the 19th hook, pull the needle and stand the needle. And then you hook it 20 times, a reduction of 6 short pins. Now there are 12 short stitches hooked into 6 short stitches. The reduction of a short stitch. When you hook it, you have to hold it with your fingers. The last lap was not very good, just be patient, everybody. And then on the 3rd and 4th stitches. It is also the reduction pin of the hook pin. A reduction of 2 short pins. Then hook the reducer of the short pin. Follow this pattern to complete the circle. We'll pull this out and glue a piece of string, stretch out a bit. And then cut about 15 centimeters. And when we cut it, we pull it out. Insert the filling cotton a few times. I'm going to stuff it in evenly. Set aside until ready to use. Next, hook the crab's belly. The same ring stitch is used. 8 short needles are inserted. Winding out. Wrap the hook and pull it tight and hook a standing pin, and then in this. Inside the coil hook 8 short needle 2. Three. 4,567. 88 short needles. Pull the coil a little wider when you're done. And then sort it out, stretch the end of this thread. Pull this one tight, a moving coil. Tighten the thread again. In the second circle, we're adding 8 short pins. A total of 16 short stitches. Sometimes if it's not clear. The first short pin is right here, it's still here, you can count them from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is this place, because it's a standing stitch, the braid held down the thread. Winding out. Tensioning. And hook a standing pin. And then in this circle we hook the addition of 8 short pins. 2 short stitches in the same eye. Finish it off like this. Pull after you finish this loop, hook pin, next, hook the third circle. The third circle is make an addition to a short stitch every other short stitch. A short needle. Then the next short stitch is hooked inside, the addition of a short stitch. Repeat 8 times. Make an addition to a short stitch every other short stitch. Follow this pattern to complete the circle. After the third lap. The fourth and fifth laps are the same method. The fourth and fifth laps are, hook a short stitch over each short stitch. That's 24 short stitches without adding or subtracting. Do it yourself to the fifth lap. We don't have to pull the last stitch and then cut it after you cut it. We pull out this coil. Make a traceless connection. Finally, the crochet comes out of the back. Pull this piece of string through. And then the last stitch here through the middle, pull the end of the string through. Pull it tight like this. So this is also a braid needle, so you have a traceless ending.